don't have to wait months for answers. So why do these 5 causes keep getting missed? NHS GPs are doing an incredible job under immense pressure. But the reality is that diagnosing chronic cough requires time and tools that aren't always available in the standard NHS GP appointments. The tragedy is that most people suffer for months because they don't know this condition exists, don't have access to the right test, or can't get specialist treatment through standard NHS pathways. You don't have to wait months for answers. Don't suffer in silence for months when answers and effective treatment are available right now. If you found this helpful, please like this video so others can find accurate medical guidance. Subscribe for more evidence-based respiratory health information.